Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the environment predictable. Install the latest LTS runtime and a package manager, then clone into a protected repo. Once done, create a feature branch and enable branch protection to require reviews. Configure your editor for linting and formatting so style errors are caught early. Also add a minimal continuous integration job to run tests and static analysis on push, because this immediately prevents regressions and gives feedback before code merges. Next, harden how the code handles data and dependencies. Enforce least privilege for secrets and inject them via secure stores, not checked-in files. Validate and sanitize inputs, use parameterized queries, and encode outputs to avoid injection attacks. Integrate dependency scanning and static application security testing into CI to catch vulnerable libraries and common patterns. Make sure tests run with realistic mocks, so security checks reflect real behavior, and finish by deploying in small stages and monitoring logs, traces, and metrics closely so you spot anomalies early. Once done, run automated scanners and a focused manual security review on the released components. Make sure rollback and incident runbooks are ready. If something goes wrong, revert the staged release, collect relevant logs and traces, and run the failing scenario in a local reproducible environment for regression tests. This lets you fix the root cause without causing further user impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.